Hello everyone, welcome to Suni's Craft History. Today we will learn how to make these beautiful flowers at your home, which are very easy to make. And the best part about these flowers is you don't need to add any beads to these flowers. Because of that, you can also wash these flowers in case they become dirty. When you use them as hair accessories, they tend to become dirty because they are made of cloth, right? So satin ribbon. So you can also wash them with mild soap so that it becomes fresh and bright again. So without any further delay, I'll teach you how to make this beautiful ribbon, flower roses. So let's get started with the materials. You can take the ribbon of your choice. For this, I'll be using a 1-inch satin ribbon, candle, scissors, you need scale, tweezers and lighter, and of course a glue gun, felt sheet at the base of the flower. To make this beautiful flower, we need in total 25 petals. So we need 6 centimeters, 1-inch ribbon. So measure 6 centimeters and cut it. So this is how a ribbon will look. So after cutting this 6 centimeters ribbon, we need 25 such pieces. Here I have taken another color. 25 pieces I have cut and kept it ready. Now I'll show you how to shape them. So before I go into the actual flower, let us first learn how to give a petal shape. So for this, take your flower petal and slowly make a curve here like this. Okay, very small bend. I'll show you what happens if you don't have this cut at the corners and what happens if you have a cut, the difference between having and not having a cut. Okay, so here I have made a cut, a very small curve. Yes. So now let's cut another piece which measures again 6 centimeters to just show you the difference between them. So here I'm taking another flower. So here I'm not cutting it. I'm not cutting the corners, and here I'm cutting the corners. Now let's take the lighter. So here what you have to do is you need to first practice your ribbon and lighter coordination. What is that? So let's check here. So when you have to burn the ends, let me first do it once so that you will get an idea. So here you can see a slight bend here, right? A slight bend. Yes. So to get this bend, we have cut the edges of the ribbon. Now here if I don't cut the edges of the ribbon, see how it turns out. Okay, it may look similar for you. See, I don't see much difference is what you might be thinking at this moment. But what actually happens is, here the ends become very thick. You can see? Whereas here, you don't get that. It just gives a smooth finish at the corners. Let me show you another one. And one more very important thing when you have to make such petals is, never put your ribbon directly like this, horizontally above the flame. So what happens is, it will start giving you a dark corner. Maybe I'll take this ribbon and I'll show you, okay? So here, if you put it horizontally like this to the flame, okay, you will get the dark ends like this, which will not look good when you finish your flower. Okay, so for that reason, what you have to do is cut the corners lightly like this, okay, and put your ribbon in a slanting position. Don't put it like this, don't put it like this, put it slanting. okay, in a slanting line. And your flame of the lighter should not be too big like this. It should not be too big. It should be as small as possible for you. So adjust your flame before that. And now let's start doing it. Start from one corner. Don't start straight away at the center. Okay? Start from one corner and slowly slide like this. See? You can see how beautifully the finish has come out. You can see the difference between these two. Here you get sharp ends like this, but whereas here you get a smooth finish. If I start from the center and go like this, okay, so what happens is you get a steep peak like this. Can you see here? So this is not what we want for a petal. Now you can just watch me doing these in a fast mode. So before I start, let me just cut everything ready and be back. So here I have shaped all the ribbons. Now let's start giving a proper shape to them. So here we have finished making all these petals. Now let's get into the next process. So after you take the petal like this, fold it into half with the right side on the top, fold it into half like this. Take your tweezers and slowly put it like this. Like this. Clear. Let me show you again. So for this you don't need to use a lighter, okay? For that you can have a candle. That should be more easy. That's it. Again, fold it into half. Fold it into half. Hold your tweezer here in the center like this. Okay. Then press from both the ends like this. Okay, and then press it over here. You will get a nice shape like this. Okay, this is how we need to get every petal. So when you do it, just make sure it stays firm, okay? Now see how the shape has come. Isn't it beautiful? Just like a rose petal. Okay, let me quickly finish off these flowers for you. You can watch them on the fast mode. Okay? Now let's finish the flower. For this, keep your glue gun ready, and now let's start arranging these petals. So here you will be having two sides like this. So let's take the one which has like this. On one side apply little glue and then place the other one like this. Okay? Very little amount of glue will do for you. Be very careful when you use a hot glue. It is always advisable to use elders if small kids are trying this out at your home. Okay. All you have to do is just keep arranging all these petals one by one in a line. Okay. So let's start it. I if you have taken only 15 or so, then you'll get the size of flower. If you take 25, you get the size, and if you want to keep increasing, you can also do it. After you apply glue, just slowly, with the help of a tweezer, turn it around like this. Then start applying glue. So that's it. Just press the glue. See, beautiful, isn't it? So if you want to use this as an hair accessory, then you can attach a rubber band to a felt sheet like this and then place it over it like this, and you can use it as your rubber bands, hair ties. Okay, let me just quickly do it. And remove away any extra glue on the flower. That's all. See, beautiful, isn't it? So please do try it out at your home. You can make smaller ones or bigger ones, is up to your choice. Do try it out at your home, friends, and let me know how it came out. If you have any doubts or if you need any more details on this flower making, do comment below and let me know. I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting. Take care. Bye. Signing off from Suni's Craft History.